All right, we got this 2014 Volvo S60 T5. We got 146,000 miles on it. Drives great. Get a little video tour. Pretty big trunk. The owner's manual's in here. Couple nice things about this car as well. We've got California smog. Looks like it was done in June, so that's ready to rock. This is really interesting. So the customer had a new engine installed, remanufactured long block. This was put in, you could see, about 20,000 miles ago, 3 years ago. Yeah, a lot of work was done. Looks like the total bill was about $16,000. So this car basically has a new engine. Those are the Carfax, you can see. Clean Carfax. No accidents reported. Now, this is a nice motor. Naturally aspirated, inline 5-cylinder. So give us a call, 541-535-1775. We are located in Phoenix, Oregon. We'd love to talk to you soon.